Hello everybody, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove glue from your windows. Alright guys, so before we go any further, I'm Eddie V. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you are the first one to watch it. And without further ado, let's go to the video. Alright guys, so we have a razor blade here. I'm going to show you how to remove glue. This happens to be one of those cases when you buy a car from Copart or you buy it from the dealership and you take off the paper tag that's on your window and there's glue, as you can see here, there's glue right over here that needs to be coming off. So if you bought your car from Copart or from dealership and you took off the paper tag and the glue stays on, this is what you do. Right here, we got a razor blade. This is double-sided. I mean, it's dangerous, yeah, to do with one finger, but what I do is I got a paper towel here, and I grab one edge like this, and then as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And it should come right off. As you can see, it's already coming off. You got to do it gently. Or I'm going to go from this side to see what I'm doing, and you guys can see what I'm doing as well. And you can wipe off the razor blade as you're going too. So. Still doing some. And just like that, we're slowly taking it off. Very gently. You don't have to do much, actually. Sorry about that. My dog is barking like crazy, probably because the cats are out. Oh, come on. Should have wiped it off with glue, which I'm doing. I mean, with paper towel. Oh, come on, really? I did not use Goo Gone because it's just a bad product to use. I'm just gonna be honest. It's a bad product to use. Got that off. Still need to be taking some off though. Now I'm gonna try to flip the razor blade to the other side and see what happens. Remove the last remaining residue off, and instead of using Goo Gone, we're going to use a little bit of gasoline. That's all you need. Your car will smell a little bit like gasoline for a tiny bit though. And as you can see here, it's coming right off with gasoline. Next thing we need to do is grab paper towels and wipe off our mess. Alright, yes, I said paper towels, but you can also use a microfiber towel. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe that all off. The rest will evaporate. Your car will smell like gasoline for a tiny bit, but not for long. But guess what? Now we have a clean window. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you would like to watch more of my videos, hit the subscribe button down below, click that notification bell, and comment on what video you want me to do next. And we'll see you next time.